Minerals and deficiency of minerals. Minerals, inorganic elements essential to the nutrition of humans. 14 minerals are essential to body function, play several key roles in overall health and well-being, help chemical reaction take place in cells, help muscle contract, keep the heart beating. And minerals are two groups: major minerals and trace minerals. Major minerals are calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, sodium, and chloride. First one, calcium. The functions of calcium: important for bones and teeth and metabolic processes. As the sources: dairy products. Deficiencies: osteomalacia, osteoporosis, and rickets tetani. Next, iron. The functions of iron: transfer oxygen between tissue in the body. And sources: eggs, green vegetables, fortified foods, liver, meat, nuts, peas, and whole grains. Iron deficiencies: anemia, increased susceptibility to infections. Next, magnesium. Functions: for healthy bones, functioning, for muscle and nerve tissue. Sources: egg, green vegetables, fish, milk, nuts, and wholemeal flour. Deficiency: anxiety, fatigue, insomnia, muscular problems, nausea, premenstrual problems, arrhythmia. Then phosphorus, constituent of bone tissue and energy conversion reactions. That is the function of phosphorus. Sources: dairy products, fruits, meats, pulses, and vegetables. Deficiencies: anemia, nerve disorders, respiratory problems, weakness, weight loss. Then potassium, main base ion of intracellular fluid to maintain electrical potentials of the nervous system, functioning of muscle and nerve tissues. Sources: cereals, coffee, fresh fruits, meat, salt, substitute vegetables, whole grain flour. Deficiencies: general muscle paralysis, metabolic disturbances. Sodium. Functions of sodium: controls the volume of extracellular fluid in the body, maintains the balance in the body, maintains electrical potentials of the nervous system, functioning of muscle and nerve tissues. Sources: processed bakery products and processed food, generally tin and curd products. And deficiencies: low blood pressure, general muscle weakness or paralysis, mild fever, and respiratory problems. Chromium. Functions: involved in the functioning of skeletal muscles. Sources: cereals, cheese, fresh fruit, meat, nuts, and wholemeal flour. Deficiencies: confusion, depression, irritability, and weakness. Copper. Copper is a part of enzyme, and the sources is cocoa, liver, oysters, peas. Deficiencies: insufficient copper has been associated with changes in hair color and texture and hair loss. and disturbances in the nervous system, bone diseases, serious deficiency, MEN syndrome. Manganese, function of manganese, antioxidant properties, fertility, formation of strong healthy bones, nerves and muscles. Sources: avocados, nuts, pulses, tea, vegetables and whole grain cereals. Deficiencies: bone deformities, rashes and skin conditions, reduced hair growth, retarded growth in children. Selenium, antioxidant properties, essential component of enzyme glutathione peroxidase, contributes to efficiency of the immune system. Sources: egg yolk, garlic, seafood, whole grain flour. And deficiencies: cardiomyopathy, Castenbach disease, that means the cartilage and joints affected the deficiency. Sulfur, healing buildup of toxic substances in the body, and structural health of the body, healthy skin, nails and hair. Sources: beans, beef, vegetables like broccoli and meat and dairy products. Deficiencies: deficiency of sulfur is unusual. Zinc, needed for functioning of many enzymes and strong immune system. Sources: dairy produce, egg yolk, liver, red meat, seafood, whole grain flour. And deficiencies: lesions on the skin, esophagus and cornea, retarded growth, susceptibility to infection. We can't make minerals in our body, but we must ingest them either in our food or drinking water or in supplements. Most minerals are required in very minute amount, and providing that a trace mineral is essential for health is very difficult task. Everyone at every age need minerals. A major expression is iron for children under age 4 and adolescent girls and women in childbearing years. Thank you.